Hi, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for being here today with us. I can reckon some known faces, but for whom doesn't know me, I'm Enrico Bragagnolo, and I'm part of the sales team at Breton. We specialize in manufacturing and implementing machining solutions and additive solutions for the industry. So we're here today to provide you an outlook about what's our stage in solution about the large additive manufacturing with FDM systems, and what kind of solution we're ready to deliver to the industry to bridge the existing gaps that we found in the market. When we come across to additive manufacturing, of course, we'll be facing different kind of solutions, different kind of printing methods. We go from the SLS to jet bending and other techniques. Where we really focus is the FDM, so fused deposition modeling. And we focus on the large-scale FDM systems. On the FDM systems, there is a challenge nowadays to scale it to the industry on the large formats, and that's represented by the challenge to make the process becoming easier and more transparent for the operators, for the end users.